my channel. Today I have a craft with me video. I'm super excited. I'm going to be making the new covers for my Happy Planner Christmas theme. Of course, it is the month of December and I love to celebrate Christmas, so I thought why not change up my planner covers. And that's really something that I love about the Happy Planner is that you can take out the pages. It's super customizable, and that really wins my heart over. It's one of the reasons why I loved using ring planners, because I can customize it, make inserts, take them out, put them in, and that for me is just a huge thing that I look for in a planner. And so the Happy Planner just works great for me, and I love that. This is my current cover. This was for a Thanksgiving / October theme, and I loved it. I used it for October and November, and I had so much fun with it, and it just made my planner looks so pretty. So today I'm going to be making new ones. I love the gold pumpkins in the front, and then I love this one with the pumpkin and the pie, and then the florals. So super cute. Today we're actually going to be making new ones. I'm going to go ahead and take these out, and I'm going to show you which pages I actually picked out. I have my laminating paper, which is the Scotch thermal laminating punches. These are 8.5 by 11 inches. I always purchase mine on Amazon. Really good deal on there. I have scissors, I have my paper cutter, I have my ATG gun. A lot of people ask me where this ATG gun was purchased. I bought mine at Michael's and I used my coupons, and it is actually called an advanced tape glider, and it is by Scotch, and it is my baby, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I can't live my crafting life without it. And then I also have my scoreboard ready to go. I have my Create 365 hole punch that belongs to the Happy Planner, and this is like the classic size. I have my Scotch laminator, which by the way I need to buy a new one, because when I did my tans I noticed that it wasn't sealing as good as it used to, but then again I did use a lot of thick paper in those tans, so that could be a reason why it also doesn't seal good. But either way, I need to purchase another one, and I think I'm going to get 2 more for next year. If I'm going to be making my tans, it will make my life so much better. Instead of just waiting for everything to come out one by one, I can be doing 3 at a time or something. So that is one of the things that I definitely want to get in the new year, is my two more laminators. And then with the older one, I can use to laminate smaller stuff that's not so thick, like page markers and that kind of stuff. But yes. Anyway, okay, so for my papers, I decided this is going to be my front cover. If you guys saw my TNs, you did see that one of the covers was this little Christmas truck. I absolutely adore the Christmas truck, so I made sure to save myself a sheet. It is a 12 by 12, and this is actually from an older Christmas paper pad from Michael's. I'm not sure if they still have it this year, but you can always take a look. I absolutely love the red truck. I love snowman. I mean, I have snowman everywhere in my house. And then the back, it's just kind of like a red with a bunch of different little Christmas presents. I like all the sprinkles of like the snow falling. And then for the back, it's gonna be the snowman, because again, I love snowman, and I thought it was just a good combination. So that's going to be the back cover, and then the green is going to be the inside, since there is a lot of green in his little sweaters. So the first thing we have to do is cut them down to size, and I'm going to grab my ruler really quick. Maybe I can just measure. Alright, so let's see. Oh, I already marked it, kind of. No, it's a little bit over. Okay, let me see. It'll probably be easier on here. Alright, so it's actually 7.5 wide, and it is 9.5 inches tall. So that's how we're going to be marking it. 7.5 by 9.5. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you always want to make sure you leave a little border so that way when you laminate, you'll also be leaving a little border. So let's go ahead and do that. So 7.5 here, and then 7.5 over here. So we'll just do all our markings. It'll be so much easier. This is kind of how I do all my TN covers. I just mark everything, and then I cut everything, and then I mark everything again, and then I cut everything again. It just makes life easier instead of going from measuring to cutting, measuring to cutting. I think it slows down the process. So I'm going to do all of them at 7.5. Perfect. I'm a little tired. I just finished doing my godson's maternity photo shoot. If you guys remember, he's having a little boy this month, and we're so excited. So I offered to make them a little photo shoot, and they came out so pretty, the pictures. I love them. They were happy with them, so I'm happy. And I'm a little tired, so is Hershey boy. He's just sitting down over there in the chair. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut everything, and then we'll we'll measure it again to 9.5. That way we know. Perfect. So during the Black Friday sale, I forgot to tell you guys, during the Black Friday sale, Joann's had a doorbuster of 70% off, right? And a lot of the Happy Planner stuff was on sale. And I was trying to look for my planner for 2021, and tell me why everything was sold out. Like, you guys took everything. And I was like so bummed. I kept telling my boyfriend, oh my god, what am I gonna do now? But I'm most likely gonna have to just keep looking, only because I'm not trying to really pay the full retail price, because it's pretty expensive. And so I'm like, I want a deal. I want a coupon. But if worst comes to worst, I can always use like the regular coupon off of like one purchased item. So we'll see. And I was even trying to buy like the Mickey ones, and that wasn't working. And I'm like, oh my goodness, like they really took everything. Like, it wasn't available in stock, like physically. And they were also wiped out, like on no shipping. So there was no shipping available. And when I went to Joann's with my sister-in-law, I was looking and everything was empty. Everything was empty. Because the sticker books were like $9.99. The planners were, I think, like $13.99, which is such a great deal. So I completely snoozed on that. And I'm like, okay, well, I'm still looking to get because I want a specific layout, so hopefully I can find it. But I'm ready, you guys. I'm trying to think what my goals for 2021 are gonna be. Probably just to get better at uploading videos and creating better content, maybe learn some better editing skills, because I want to be able to show different stuff to you guys. I actually filmed, speaking of editing, I actually filmed a what do you call it, a clean with me. So I filmed a clean with me in my kitchen, my bathroom, and I did a little bit of folding for laundry, little stuff here and there that I needed to get done that was on my to-do list. And I was like, I don't really know how to edit and all that stuff though, so everything's kind of just like in one place. The camera's in one angle, and my daughter's like, it's really good. She's like, the video's good, it's just you should, she's like, the video's good, the music's good, your intro's good, lighting is okay. Because my kitchen light has yellow lights and my dining room has white lights, because this is where I film, so I always try to make sure that I have really good lighting in here. And so she's like, you probably should just use like different angles, some close-ups, some zooming in, zooming out, that type of stuff. And I was like, well, I don't know how to do any of that. I was like, you should be my cameraman. And she's like, camera woman? And I was like, okay, camera woman. And so anyway, so I edited it. It looks good, but I'm really scared to upload it, and I'm debating if I should upload it or not. And I don't know, I'm super nervous about it. If I do decide to upload it, it will probably go up. Let's see, today is Wednesday. I'm uploading my covers. I want to upload my Christmas decor on Thursday. So if I do upload it, it'll maybe go up on Friday. So we'll see, you guys, if I have the courage and the guts to do it, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so now that everything is cut down to size perfectly, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double-side it. So I just added some adhesive, and I always like to start at the bottom corner, and then I bring it down to the other corner. That way, everything aligns evenly, right? Perfect. So there we have that. That's the back. This is the front. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do the next one. And before you start, it's always a good idea to get your laminator started so that way you're not sitting around waiting for it to get hot. So mine's already nice and hot. The blue light already came on, which is good. All right, awesome. I actually need to go buy some more adhesive. All right, so here we go. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add one corner. Sorry, I have to cough. My throat feels dry. Perfect. And if you have any like little white spots, just use little tiny scissors and go ahead and cut it off. But other than that, here we go. It looks so cute. I am loving this. This is going to be so quick and easy. I'm debating if I should add like a little pop-up sticker or something on it. All right, so I'm going to need 2 laminating sheets. So I'm going to go ahead and put one in here. I'm like, maybe I should dress it up super cute and add like little page markers to this, to my TN. I don't know. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pop it into my laminator. It's a little thick, but because everything is solid in one single sheet, it should go through perfectly in my laminator. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and prep this one so that when the other one comes out, we can go ahead and add it as well. You hear that sound in my laminator? Yeah, sounds like it's dying already. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and let it finish laminating, and I'll be right back. Perfect, it's coming out beautifully. So now we're going to go ahead. Oops, I accidentally put that one in wrong. So now that the edges, at least I can see that the edges are pretty nice and sealed. So I'm going to go ahead and just start cutting. For the edge, you want to get kind of close. Let's see. Okay. So I'm just going to bring it to the white line on my paper trimmer. Sorry if there's glare. There we go. And then the rest I'm just going to do a slightly larger border. Let's run this again. Perfect. And then we'll do the same thing over here. Just give it a nice little border. Perfect. So then we'll run it again, and then we'll round our corners. We'll do the same thing with the other one. So again, in case you want to do a cover for your planner, the measurements were 7.5 wide, 9.5 in height. And that's for the classic, which is the planner that I have. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and trim this. Again, apologies for the glare. And now we're going to leave a slightly wider, not too much, border. And we're going to do the same thing over here. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Perfect. All right, and put this to the side as well as this over here. And now we can run this again. I'm going to go ahead and round my corners. Oh, this one's slightly... Yeah, this one feels like it's a little open. I'm going to have to try to find a way to close it. So I'm just going to take this. Just round my corner. Yeah, it's not heating up as good as it used to, so definitely gonna have to replace it. Alright, let's go ahead and do it again. And go ahead and round the corners. This one heated up really nicely. Sorry if I'm really close to the camera. Go, and then one more. I'm gonna go ahead and run it again through my laminator. Alright, you guys, and there we have it. Here are both of my covers. Look at how pretty this one looks. I love it so much. And then here we have the one with the snowman. Super cute. And then that's the back, a really pretty olive green. Alright, so now last thing is I'm going to go ahead and add my holes. So I need to make sure that since I want this to be the cover, it needs to go facing this way. So I'm just going to put it in between the lines and hopefully everything goes well. Okay, I think we're ready. There we go. Perfect. Oh, that looks good. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do the next one. I'm just trying to make sure everything's aligned. My puppy ended up going to the living room because he got scared of this. Okay, there we go. Perfect. All right, so now the moment of truth, we're gonna go ahead and pop it into my planner and let's see how good it fits. Oh my goodness, it looks so pretty. Wow, I absolutely love it. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. It's so cute. All right, next one. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in there. Awesome. And that's the front cover. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? And it goes so well with the rings too. And then that's the back. So pretty. So I do have these really large stickers and I'm like, oh, I could probably add one, but at the same time I'm like, maybe I could just add the large candy canes or the ho 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 at the bottom. But I also have this one, but I kind of want to save it for a planner spread. Thought that would be cute too, but really I think like this it just looks perfect. I really don't think it needs anything else, and I'm gonna leave it as is. So I'm so happy. I can't stop staring at it. It's so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.